Testing Bill.com API documentation is a crucial step to ensure seamless integration with your accounting system. To begin, navigate to the Bill.com developer portal and review the API documentation. The documentation provides a comprehensive guide to the available endpoints, request and response formats, and authentication mechanisms. First, create a Bill.com developer account and obtain an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your API requests. Next, choose the programming language you will use to interact with the API. Bill.com provides code samples in multiple languages, including Python, Java, and C#. To test the API, start by making a simple GET request to retrieve a list of vendors or customers. This will help you verify that your API key is valid and that you can successfully connect to the Bill.com API. Use a tool like Postman or curl to send the request and inspect the response. Once you have verified connectivity, move on to testing more complex endpoints, such as creating a new bill or payment. Be sure to follow the API documentation guidelines for request formatting and authentication. Use the provided code samples as a starting point and modify them to suit your specific use case. When testing the API, it is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly. The Bill.com API returns standard HTTP error codes and provides detailed error messages to help you diagnose and resolve issues. Make sure to implement robust error handling in your code to ensure that your application can recover from errors and continue functioning as expected. Best practices for testing the Bill.com API include using a sandbox environment to avoid affecting your live accounting data, testing each endpoint thoroughly to ensure correct functionality, and verifying that your application can handle different scenarios in edge cases. Additionally, keep your API key secure and do not share it with unauthorized parties. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your integration with the Bill.com API is successful and reliable. The Bill.com API documentation provides extensive resources and support to help you get started and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. With careful testing and implementation, you can leverage the power of the Bill.com API to streamline your accounting workflows and improve your overall business efficiency.